let's find the surface area of this sphere. To find the surface area of a sphere, we need to start out by recalling the formula that can help us do this. So here is the formula to help us find the surface area of a sphere. We have S, which is the surface area, is equal to 4 pi r squared. So to find the surface area of a sphere, we need to take 4 times pi times the radius squared. Now that we know the formula that we need to use, let's go through our sphere and identify the variable values that we're going to use. Well, to do this, let's start out by looking at pi. Pi is an irrational number. So here, let's approximate it to be the decimal 3.14. Great! Now we need to find r, the radius of our sphere. Remember, the radius of a sphere is the measurement from the center point of the sphere to any point on the outside of the sphere. So, this measurement right here is the radius. It measures 4 centimeters. So that means our radius is 4 centimeters. Now that we have these values, we can take those values and plug them into our formula. So let's do that. Here we have 4 times pi, which we're approximating as the decimal 3.14, times r squared, the radius squared, which would be 4 squared. So, in order to get the surface area of this sphere, we need to solve using the order of operations. Now, following the order of operations, we need to take this 4 and square it first. Now, if we take 4 and square it, that's the same as taking 4 times 4. So we'll get 16. Now we're multiplying throughout, and multiplication is commutative. So, let's multiply these two integers together, 4 and 16. When we do that, we get 64. Now, to get our surface area, we need to multiply these two numbers together. So, we need to take 3.14 times 64. When we do that, we get this value, 200.96. So, 3.14 times 64 is 200.96. Hey, that's our answer. That is the surface area of this sphere. But surface area is an area. So, before we can call this our answer, we need to put units squared in our answer. And since our radius is measured in centimeters, we need to put centimeters squared in the answer. And now we have found the surface area of the sphere. The surface area of this sphere is 200.96 centimeters squared.